Hello and welcome to my first ever video here at For Heaven's Cakes. So I'm really excited because it's my first ever video, and today we're going to be going with, a basic that everyone loves, and as you can see from my jumper it's Christmassy, and so we're going to go with mince pies. So for this I'm going to run through a list of ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need plain flour. You are going to need, if I can find it, you are going to need mincemeat. You're going to need pastry. I've got this big hunk of pastry here. It's quite useful. It's just a normal short crust pastry. So what you're going to need to do is start off, we're just going to put the pastry out of the way. Then we're going to move the mincemeat. Then we're going to take this over here. We're going to get a spoonful of flour, dotted about here. We're going to wipe the flour everywhere. You just really want to get the surface perfect for your pastry. Congratulations, you've made mince pies. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell for more videos. Merry Christmas and thanks for watching.